And this is the question of linear equation two variables for S equal question number 36. A boat goes 12 km upstream and 40 km downstream in 8 hours. It can go 16 km upstream and 32 km downstream in the same time. So we have to find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream. So first of all, we will take let the speed of the boat in a still water be x km per hour and the speed of the stream be y km per hour. Now see, when there is the case of upstream means you are going against the stream, downstream means you are going with the stream. So definitely speed of the boat in case of upstream speed in of the boat in upstream is equal to, it will be x minus y km per hour. And second, speed of the boat in downstream is equal to x plus y km per hour, means you are going with the stream. Now as the first equation says, 12 upstream, 40 downstream, 8 hours. 12 is the distance by speed. Distance by speed means it is the time. Upstream means x minus y plus 40 km in downstream. Downstream means x plus y. This time plus this time will be equal to 8 hours. Second equation will be 16 upstream. 16 upstream by 16 minus x, 16 by x minus y plus 32 downstream, 32 by x plus y, and that will also be equal to 8. As it is given, it covers in the same time as well. So now as the equation there is in the equation there is 1 by x minus y, 1 by x plus y. Let us assume, let us take 1 by x minus y as u and 1 by x plus y as v. Then the first equation will become 12u plus 40v is equal to 8, and the second equation will become 16u plus 32v is equal to 8. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. We will solve these two, दोनों को हम लोग लेके चलेंगे. चलो जी, 12u plus 40v is equal to 8 by 16u plus 32v is equal to 8. Minus minus minus, this will be cancelled out and it will become plus 8v, and this will be minus 4u. Minus 4u plus 8v is equal to 0, or it will also be written as 4u is equal to 8v, or u is equal to 2v. U is equal to 2v. So as we have found out u is equal to 2v, but what is u? U is equal to 2v. We will replace u with 1 by x minus y, 1 by x minus y, and 2 again, v with 1 by x plus y, 1 by x plus y. Proceeding on, this cross multiply this one, x plus y is equal to 2 into x minus y, or x plus y is equal to 2x minus 2y, or let's bring this one here, 2y plus y and 2x minus x. So x will be equal to 3y. Now putting this value x is equal to 3y in the original equation which we have taken, 12 by x minus y. 12 by x minus y means we will write 12 by 3y minus y. Now again plus, there was 40 by x plus y, we will write 40 by 3y plus y. So 12 by 3y minus 12 by 3y minus y, okay, plus 40 by 3y plus y, and it will be equal to 8 as it was given in the original equation which we have taken, जो पहला दो इक्वेशन जो बनाया था. ओके, सो इट विल बिकम 12 बाई 2y प्लस 40 बाई 4y इज इक्वल टू 8, और ये हो जाएगा आपको 6 बाई y, 6 बाई y प्लस 10 बाई y इज इक्वल टू 8, और 16 बाई y इज इक्वल टू 8, or y is equal to 2. And what is y? Y is the speed of the stream, so the speed of the stream will be 2 km per hour. So if the speed of the stream, we may write this one, speed of the stream is 2 km per hour. Now we have to find speed of the boat, which is x is equal to 3y, means x is equal to 3y, x into x is equal to 3 into 2, that is 6 km per hour. So the speed of the boat, x is the speed of the boat, yes it is, in still water. The speed of the boat in still water is equal to 6 km per hour. So that's it. Speed of the stream is 2 km per hour and speed of the boat in still water is 6 km per hour.